I got myself a whole roaster chicken, already seasoned. This is the first meal I'm going to make in my new GoWise USA pressure oven using the Rotisserie. It's going to be great, isn't it? I also found out when you use the rack, this is a handle that comes with it to take it out. See, when you use the broiling pan or a rack, that's handy. I'm learning a little bit more each time. I have an onion quartered up and a piece of rosemary. Ooh. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. It's already seasoned, like I said, so I don't even need salt and pepper. It's 6 pounds, costs $9.99. Not bad, huh? Purdue. All right, let me open it up. Let me use that plate to set the chicken on. Open this bag. And that's in another bag. Because you could, if you're cooking in the oven, you can cook in that kind of bag, I guess. I'm not doing that. That holds all the seasoning in there. Look at all that seasoning and marinade. That's why I don't have to add anything else. I'm just going to add my quartered onion in there. You get in there. This is going to be so scrumptious. Piece of rosemary. Wash off my hands. Soap and water. All right, I see the legs are already tied up nicely. But I'm going to tie up these wings. We don't want them flopping around in there. I think they're going to get away on me. Something like this. This is how we do it. Trim that off a little bit. Now I'm going to use my spit that came with it. My stomach's growling, do you hear it? Since this is 6 pounds, I'm going to go in for 60 minutes. 450 degrees. Put this in one end. Through the onions. Yeah, some crunchy onions in there. Good, get a good grip on that. Great. Put this on this end. Push that in. May have to loosen your wing nut up a little. Push it down. There. Tighten up. Alright, that end was loose. You want to center your chicken on your spit here. Make sure both ends are tight. Wash my hands again. Soap and hot water. I wash them longer. I just edited out some of the water noise. Then we use this tool. Well, that's convenient. It's going to be even more convenient when you take it out like that. This side goes over here, and the side with the groove fits on this side. You'll see. You'll see when you look in there. Line that up. And make sure you have your drip tray down the bottom. It's in there good. Oh boy, this is going to be good. Double check the book again. This says for a 4-pound chicken, 45 minutes at 450, but I have a 6-pound chicken. I'm going to set this manual today because I like it like that. I'm going to go for 400, 450, and time is here too. Watch. Time I want 60 minutes. You see it rotating in there? 1 hour. 1 hour at 450. Okay. It's set. It's in pressure mode. Rotisserie. Well, all I have to do is wait an hour. Yeah. Look at that. Someday I'll just set the camera there for an hour and let you watch the whole thing. You like doing that, don't you? It's so quiet, I don't hear a thing. I don't. Hopefully I'll hear some sizzling soon. And then the light will go off, or you can turn it off and on. I'll leave it off for a little bit, but then I'll turn it on. Alright, be back when it's almost ready. I'll show you the progress halfway through. Look at that through the window. The pressure built up real quick. Look at the juice dripping down there. Can you see it? Pressure built up in like less than a minute. You know, that's different than our pressure cookers. Oh, that smells good. I got 33 minutes left, see? Ooh, isn't that nice? See the juice dripping in there? Hope you can see it. Beautiful. 5 minutes left. Look in there. Doesn't that look great? Hear a little hissing with the pressure, but I guess that's normal. Pressure in there. 4 minutes now. We're going to take the internal temperature. We want it to be 165, and if it's not, we're going to go a little bit longer because the recipe was a 4 pound, and this was a little over 6. But look at that. Whoa, yeah. I like it. Less than a minute remaining. What's it gonna do? It's gonna beep. I have the light off. See, I wanna show you that inside light. Well, that's all right. You can see it. There it is. Woo! All right. I'm gonna release the pressure up here, like we do in our pressure cookers. All right. It held pressure the whole time. And when you think it's out enough, the instructions say to press that PA button. Rotisserie chicken under pressure. Oh yeah. We're going to check the temperature. Ready? There's a sizzling in there. Oh. Where's that thermometer? Where's that thermometer? We want 165. I don't think it's ready yet. 145, 46, 48, come on. 49. Let's check another spot. 50. 140. All right, we're gonna go another 10 minutes. I like it a little browner anyway. We're gonna go, listen to that. Oh, another 10 minutes. Let's see, I'm gonna go manual again. 450, 4. Hey, get out of there. 450. What's that? Oh man, I went way up, huh? For 10 minutes. Make it 15. Start. There we go. Toast it up a little more. We want 165, remember? That smells so good. Hear the pressure comes right up. See? Press that pressure button. I'm learning it. First time using it. Down to a minute again. The pressure just popped by itself. We have to learn a little more about it. I think it's regulating. It's great. It smells so good. Oh yeah. Come on, beep. I'm gonna take your temperature again. There it is. Let the pressure out. It's all pressure in there. All right. Almost. Time to take temperature again. Ooh, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Oh, tender that way. B, 68, 73. Hike, hike. Oh, yeah. Ouch. We're ready. 185, 190. All right, it's done. Now be careful with this. You don't want to touch that element down there. I have an extra big chicken here. And I have a plate right next to this. Grab it. Just can't wait. Take that side out, take that side out. Look at this. Beautiful chicken. Okay. Thank you, GoWise. Hear how tight that seals up? See? Pressure right away. It's a good atmosphere. And it's off. I'm going to cover this with foil and let it rest for 5 minutes like the book says. And in the meantime, I'm going to cook up some vegetables and heat up some taters. And I'll meet you over at my table. Okay? I'm going to taste it. Ooh, delicious. It's been 5 minutes. I smell that rosemary pretty strong. That's good. And the other seasonings that were in this chicken. So you only gotta remove one side of the spike and then just pull the whole thing out, see? You know what I mean? See? Well, you do need both. There, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And remove the string. Our cooking twine. Great. And it already had the legs tied. Look at that rosemary in there. Now, where do I begin? I'd like a leg. I'd like to try some of this. Remember, there's onions in there too. Let's see. I like the skin. Let me taste the skin. I know I messed it up. Hang on. See, I'm gonna cut this way so I can see. I'm sorry. That's probably upside down. Oh. All right, let me see what's going on here. Oh, there's all the white meat. Oh, nice. That's not a chicken knife, is it? Look at it though. First pressure roasted chicken. Give me them legs. I always break them. Always break them legs. Oh, I broke that leg. Look at this. So good. Wing. Well, anyway. Time to eat. Oh yeah. How's that? It's so good. I might have it upside down. I don't care. It's fall apart tender, that's for sure. Set it and forget it, right? Remember? It's so good. Buttery mashed potatoes. So check out the new GoWise USA electric pressure oven. Pressure oven. It's amazing. It's the first time I used it. We're going to learn a lot more about it, I'm sure. Oh, that's so good. There's a lot you can do in there. And the good thing about the pressure oven is you can make it brown, crispy, crunchy, as well as being cooked under pressure and infused with your flavors. You can steam in there, I read in the book. Broil, bake, toast. I might put it up there where my old toaster oven is. That might be a good spot because it'll replace that. It's great. I love it. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, GoWise USA. Check them out. I'm going to finish eating my chicken meal. I'm going to butcher this up some more. I love the skin. I'm going to have chicken sandwiches, chicken soup, chicken salad, chicken dessert, chicken pot pie, chicken dumplings. I'm going to have some chicken. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. I'll see you soon. Gotta try this. Wait to see what I cook next with it. Can you imagine? All right, talk to you later. Bye.